Alrighty, chat. Here we go. So the outlook I have on this today would be lower prices. Maybe come back into this BPR and look for lower prices. I know we already took out previous day low, but we still have previous week low to go grab, which is not that far out of reach. And we also have the daily low of the day before on Monday as well. Those are the targets we can go for today. What do we look like on the daily? Yeah, especially this target. This is a great target to go grab today. So these are my targets for today. It's going to be the low on Tuesday that we created and then the low of previous week. Now we just have to wait for opportunities to short. That's pretty much it. 9:30 open. We came up mid equal highs. Not sure why we would even keep equal highs, but we're pushing back down, and these would be the obvious targets I see for today. We have this last 5 unmitigated gap. So we'll want to see if we want to invert it or not. We also have a 15-minute. I'll mark out the 15. Hey, bro. Look at his drop, man.
I have the cream in my eye, so like I'm looking at it's like I see through water. It's so blurry. Can't see nothing.
I was just saying I'm bearish on the day. 9:30 opened up higher. We still have the previous day on Tuesday low to go grab, and previous week low above below us as well.
Yeah, on your shoes you have a huge bearish SMT with the weekly high, and then you have a huge bullish SMT with yesterday's low. NQ took yesterday's low, ES didn't. ES took last week's high, NQ didn't. So you're against two big SMTs.
Yeah, I marked out the 15-minute bullish for value gap. We'll see if we want to invert it. Anyways, there's a 5-minute bullish too that we got to inverse with the 15-minute. We'll see at 9:45 where we're at.
If we're bearish, we're gonna hold the hourly for value gap we just tapped into and rejected from. Got to look at that most recent hourly.
What'd you say you have on the hourly? That 1 hour bearish for value gap? Is that what you're talking about?
Yeah, the most recent one that we
Yeah,
rejected from.
yeah, I see it. We left equal highs on the 15-minute on market open. I didn't ask you how's your neck. Is your neck better?
A bit better. I was able to sleep, so that's good. When did it happen? Tuesday night, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Tuesday night I couldn't sleep. Yesterday I could sleep, so improvement, I guess. Still pretty sore though. Still pretty bad. Not horrendous. Can I play sports or anything? No. No chance.
Good morning, futures floor. Oh, it's true. I already told you. I mean, yesterday we were supposed to go play pickle, but obviously we didn't. But that game thing was moved to August 12th. Hey. When you did your analysis, were you more bearish or bullish on today?
I don't have a bias for the day. You can't have one. Look at the hourly chart. You've been moving sideways. There's no sense of direction on the daily time frame. You can't have a daily bias. You have a daily bias in this. Look at the daily chart. It's straight consolidation. There's no daily bias for you to have. Even on the lower time frames, like the hourly, you're moving sideways.
Pretty big candles? Oh my God. We're having 60-point candles. It must be somewhere the drawing. I'll put it up here.
Like you actually can't have a daily bias. It's not like you've been coming up on the hourly or the daily, but the hourly is pretty bearish, I would say. We have a very big bearish SMT. We pushed down pretty strong, and we're respecting every single hourly for value gap that we're making and rejecting lower.
Yeah,
So for now, we're bearish until we have a good reason to go long.
and we're gonna inverse that 1 hour, not that 1 hour, that 15-minute bullish for value gap as well in 3 minutes.
Yeah, that's fine. What I want to see is how
So
we're going to react when we take Monday's low and an hourly for value gap. That could be a place to go back up. We have a speaker at 10 a.m., I think. Do we?
I don't know.
No. Oh no, it was Tuesday and Wednesday we had speakers, not today. Thursday, Friday, no news.
Yeah, my computer is starting to bug, bro. I don't know.
Bro, you know how I bought Black Ops 2 and Black Ops 1?
Yeah,
I'm playing it on the LG, okay?
yeah.
every time I get shot, like if I shoot someone, the game won't lag. No lag at all. But the moment a bullet hits me, I get like, you know how like when you lag, like sometimes you'll be running and then you'll spawn like 10 feet away from you or something?
Yeah, maybe that's just the servers.
No, because I watch other people and it doesn't happen to them. It's not happening to Justin either, and I'm
I
playing
don't
with
know.
him. The moment I get shot, I have like those lag spikes where
Mm,
like my bullets like aren't going nowhere, and then like when I die, the guy's like 3 feet on the left, so it just like freezes, you know.
mm-hmm.
Only when they shoot me. Could it be the monitor?
No, I don't think so.
Like the monitor is not the best monitor. Could it be that?
No, because it's the same graphics as when BO2 came out.
Can I lower something on the monitor or something instead of like 120 hertz? Can I put it to like 40 or I don't know what?
Your monitor's already at 59.
At 59,
Yeah.
it says 120 on the PS.
No, your PS runs at 120, but your monitor can't put out 120. Your monitor can only put out 59, so you're getting 59.
I changed it to performance mode, like people said to do, and I changed it to 1080p, like people said to do,
Yeah, I
but I
told you it's
still
not your
lag when I get
console.
shot.
It's your monitor won't can't keep up. I could have a great PC if my monitor can't go more than 144. I can't push it past 144.
But it's my monitor.
No, it's not your monitor. The game is not supposed to run past 60. It's BO2, bro.
But no one else is lagging like this. I don't
Yeah,
understand.
I don't know what to tell you. It's not your. It doesn't make sense that it would be your console. It doesn't even make sense that it would be the monitor.
The
It just makes
storage on my
sense.
PS5 is full. No, because I don't lag like that on Apex.
Maybe the storage.
My storage is full. Could be that.
Could be, yeah. I don't know. No idea.
Like I literally can't get shot. If I shoot people with the on the game, no lag at all.
I heard you. When you shoot them, it lags.
No, wow, you heard me, yeah.
Yeah, the guy dies. His body's 3 feet to the right.
No, it's not even close to what I said. Bro, I wonder how your brain internally works. When I shoot people, no lag. It's when I get shot.
Mm.
When I, David, get shot.
Okay, okay. Enough COD talk, man. I don't know what to tell you. I'm not a.
I didn't even get the story right, and I told you three
I'm not a
times.
lab
Imagine
geek.
that. But I'm talking about my monitor.
I really
Maybe
don't
it's
think it's
that. I
that.
don't know.
All right. We took out previous day low right here on NQ by a couple points. Oh no, where did it go? That's why I hate leaving the winning streak on my screen. Every time I change time frame, it in my way. And on the way to previous week low we go. It's pretty far though. It's at 28,909.
I don't know. We're in a good place where we could react. If we had lower targets, I would take a short there. I don't have anything too clean on NQ to go grab though.
Yeah, it makes sense. Yes, is making its way to previous day low. Did you see how many views that Streamers University get? It's insane. When I go on Twitch to look at Apex streamers, they have a whole sub-tab of Streamers University, and they have all of them live. My PC's getting old. Tough out, little kid. Tough it out. Let him get up. Let him get up. Chat, if you guys have any trade ideas or any questions, feel free to shoot away. We got nothing better to do. Hey, did you see Apex's sale? They got a good sale.
Apex.
Trader funding. They have, yeah, no, my God, I should be more clear. There's Apex everywhere now. It's $49 for a 50K intraday. 49, no activation fee. It's a good deal, huh?
You buy your tickets for the Spider-Man movie?
Yeah.
Cool.
E28, E29. Bro, why is it so expensive, man?
Yeah, they're smart. Every good movie now they're just coming out on Ultra AVX.
Bro, I paid $60 for 2 tickets. Bro, that's insane. For 2 tickets. Sometimes we go on Cheapy Tuesday, I could get 5 tickets for that price. I'm surprised they still have the online booking fee. They got so much shit for it and they kept it.
Yeah.
What's it's so stupid that they have
Here's your
that.
first break of structure. Put a buy, like just put your drawing. Put a buy, put a 50-point stop and a 75-point TP.
A 50-point stop. A 50-point stop in what?
75-point TP. No, it's a horrible candle. Scratch that. That's an ugly wick.
It's an ugly wick. It's a tiny wick.
Z. What? What do you mean tiny wick? The wick on 952?
38
That's
to
an
50.
ugly wick.
Oh yeah, it's almost 20 points. But the candles are huge.
Yeah, well, they're not that big, but the big ones are like 30 points, 50 points. Yeah, it's quite a bit, yeah.
Bro, every day ESN and Q are so out of sync, we just keep getting big bearish and bullish SMTs. They gotta catch up to each other. It's funny, my computer never used to lag trading or being on TradingView. It started like 2 weeks ago and it just keeps getting worse. But I haven't restarted my PC yet. I keep realizing I just
Yeah,
been
you should.
closing it, but when you close it, it doesn't do the cleanup, you know?
A lot of times when you do a full reset, just restart your computer. It'll help.
We're going down, down, down. One more bullish SMT. Ah, anchor. Haha. No way, I got it. I am such a fool. I just realized the winning streak thing that I could put on my chart, I can anchor it. I was talking to you, Dave. Just letting you know.
What?
I said the
Someone
drawing
that
that I
you're
have to
talking or
keep
someone
on
else?
moving. No, I said that the drawing, I anchored it, so now wherever I move, it's gonna stay. You get it?
Oh, that's what I have always.
I didn't even know you could do that. I just clicked on it and I saw an anchor. I'm like, no way. I
You're
hated it. I
talking
had to
about the
the winning
long
streak thing.
stop loss and entry tool?
No, this. The winning streak. David won, Alex won. Every time I moved
Oh,
it, it just moved. And I had to keep bringing it back and dragging it to a good spot. Which is perfect. Now I can move my chart as much as I want. You actually spend too much time on your phone.
Oh, you tell me this every day. Are you gonna stop or what? Tomorrow you wanna tell me the same thing?
Yeah, I just like participate. I hate hearing TikTok every single day.
Told you when I get my camera and screen, it'll be me talking and participating.
Participation is key.
You can't see my screen. It's annoying just shooting words out there and saying, "Oh, the current hourly for value gap is what I'm waiting for." No, you have your chart open.
I can show it. It's one click away.
It's not convenient. Well, you have an S&T and you're going to get your first real break of structure here. What does that tell you?
That tells me that now we could start looking for longs. Or are you asking me to do the 50-point stop and the 75-point profit again?
Exactly.
For real?
Yep. 50-point stop, 75 take profit.
Well, you gotta tell me the wick.
It's good enough.
Good enough. How do you determine the stop and the take profit?
If the candle's over 25 points, it's a 50-point stop. And that's just based on 930. We would expect that to be a Judas swing, so it's an unfair swing. It's unfair price. There's no news that changed the fair price, so you would expect us to go back to 930 opening price. You have a candle with displacement and speed that created a break of structure, so you would expect continuation.
And you're doing that because we're under 829 and 929, correct?
No, 930.
930.
830 doesn't have any news, so it wouldn't create a move.
The 930 candle, or you're talking about the 929 candle? Isn't the 929 fair
930
price, right?
creates the Judas swings. But if you have news at 830, that also could change the fair price because it's news changing the fair price. But since you don't have
Yeah, I'm
news
asking you the
today,
fair price candle. What
930
what what
changes
time
the
is
fair
that
price.
candle?
929.
Okay, thank you.
Because 930, that move after 930 created the Judas swing. Your fair price would be before the whole move. You get it?
I get it? You get it or not? I got it, I got it.
You get it or not?
Do you know if he moves his stuff to break even after a certain level, or he just decides to ride or die it?
I move it after a 1-to-1.
It's crazy. Sometimes I see people taking trades like 3 to 1, it's going like 2.5, and they barely move their stop, or like it goes 2 to 1 and they still have a full stop loss.
Yeah, I don't get that. Letting it come 4 units against you is absolutely ridiculous. Hey, hey,
Oh no, there's a fruit fly.
Fruit flies are the best thing to eat. So many nutrients. Eat it.
Yeah, nutrients. It's like a it's actually like a grain of sand with wings.
With wings, yeah.
They're so tiny.
I don't even think it weighs a half a gram.
No, no, for sure smaller. Oy.
Is anybody in that trade? Shot. Shot. Is anybody in the shot? That trade?
Your escape is confirmed.
Oh, you gotta funnel into your YouTube. No YouTube shorts, no YouTube recaps, no YouTube content, no TikTok content.
We had this conversation like 8 times already.
You don't want to do it.
No, when you get your camera, we'll do it.
There you go.
What?
You ask me the same thing every day.
No, I just tell you to stop
Oh,
running TikTok. Because that's annoying. I'm just asking you to participate a little bit more. And if you don't participate, at least don't have your TikTok running in the background.
no, there's no point, bro. Participate. Yeah, for one viewer, I'm gonna participate.
No, we shouldn't until we reach 10 million.
I'm participating enough. It's your stream. You can take care of a viewer. But you don't want to funnel any viewers and you don't want to gain traction. That's not my problem.
Who's I? You're acting like you're never gonna join. You're the
I
one
will, yeah.
doing nothing. Okay, just stop arguing about it. It's so annoying, bro. Just like be quiet. Holy my.
You're the one telling me every day I'm not participating in the Discord.
Yeah, I'm saying if you don't, at least don't run
Every day.
TikTok. That's all I'm saying. Okay, David, you're right. Okay, it's okay. I
Yeah,
take it
it's
back.
okay.
I apologize.
Good. Stop mentioning it every single
I
day. It'll stop bothering
apologize.
me. Did you put a 1.5 RR? That's what it's supposed to be. Did you put a 1.5 RR? That's what it's supposed to be.
I did, yeah. 75 point take profit, 50 point stop loss. I did it. I did it.
You can type out break even on your screen or move your stuff to break even because it went like 1.38. Did you move your stop? Hello?
Do you not see? I thought you see
Speak.
my screen.
No,
Yes, it's
speak.
break even. You told me to move it to break even, so it's already at break even. What happened here?
Say what you're doing. There you go. There's full T
Why
point.
would I want to go
Add me
higher?
another point. What a trade.
Yeah, that was very nice. A very bullish 10 a.m. candle. Drop back down and close up super bullishly. It's good risk to reward that as well, a 1.5 to 1. A 1 to 1.5, sorry. In choppy days, it must be so hard for him. For the reversion back to the mean. I wonder what size he was taking when the candles were like 5, 6 points in like 2023, 2024. Well,
12 and a
2022.
half,
A what?
12.5 point stop, 18 point take profit.
Mm. That's a good strategy because you're adapting to the range of the candles, you know?
Yep.
Like I tell Mr. Futures Floor, his Renko, the settings never change, but the environment keeps changing. So on days that the candles are like 50 points each, you don't even have time to enter. It just flashed 4 candles. Yes, already took out the morning high. And he's gonna take it out too. He left equal highs on the 15-minute. Bro, I have ankle pain. It's so funny when you move it to break even, all you see is the green part of it, of the rectangle. You don't see any red. I'm out of coffee. Damn. Chat, did anybody take that long that David mentioned? Oy. What are the higher time frame targets we have? The 15-minute equal highs. What else do we got? Well, we still got London high, Asia high. I don't think it's good that I cracked my back like that. I've been getting a lot of upper back pain. David, hello.
Yeah, I was studying about my eye. It's been here for a while now. It's been like 11 days.
11 days?
About, yeah. From Sunday to Sunday, that's 7. Now we're Thursday, so
Why do you
8 days.
answer like that? I was surprised that you said 11 days and you answered like a shithead again.
Yep,
All I
11
all I said
days.
was 11 days? I don't remember it being that long. I remember it started when we went to Brandon's.
Went to Brandon's.
Yeah, when we did those e-bikes. Remember we got food before and you said my eye's getting a bit swollen?
Oh, what? That's more than 11 days.
So it's been more than 11 days.
Isn't that like 2 weeks already?
I have no idea. We went to his house on what? It was a Saturday. Yeah, it was a Saturday. So 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. This is day number 12. Or day number 13 if you count the Saturday.
I'll go up soon, get a warm compress, put it again. I'll try to spam warm compress.
When you asked the eye doctor what's the best thing to do and she told you hot instead of cold?
Yeah, cold is horrible for what I have because it'll freeze the oil.
That's so annoying because you can't even do it too hot too. If not, you're
Why?
gonna. It hurts. Well, if not, it hurts, bro. You don't feel it when you put something over your eyelid. It's like your eye feels it instantly.
Yeah,
And
it's okay. You get used to the heat. I put it as hot as it could be. It's almost to where it's unbearable. It's so hard to see my charts because my left eye is blind.
it's
Can't even
actually
see
hard.
my
I'm closing
logo.
my left eye. I'm trying to take a look. It's like hard to concentrate with one eye. So weird.
But better when I close it completely. It's hard to keep it shut constantly though.
Wow, ES has been just so strong compared to NQ. I wonder if ES is going to continue running up to take out Asia and London.
We have equal highs on the hourly though,
Yeah,
right
well,
above here.
yeah, the
You
15
see?
minute too. Yeah, 1 hour, 15 minute, same highs. J'ai vraiment mal au dos.
We reacted where I said we'd react off of a daily low and the hourly for value gap.
Oh, there was an hourly for value gap down there too?
Yeah, that's what I told you. We take the daily low into the hourly for
Ah,
value
I,
gap.
I
That's
see it, I
negative.
see it. Yeah, that was clean.
Then an SMT happened in that point of interest after taking time-based liquidity. Just didn't have a setup to go on. Sadly.
There's no way we leave the equal highs intact at 531. It's so funny, when I leave it at break even, you could barely see that we even pointed out that trade. If we just get the green box.
It gets my Wi-Fi. It's horrible. I'm having issues.
It's the curse of 647, Ruggiero. Bad
Maybe.
Wi-Fi problems, it's been ages, no matter who you take as a provider. Eight is the magic number. Did you see the TikTok I sent you this morning with the description I gave you?
This looks like a nice inversion though. No, didn't invert. The TikTok you sent me with prescription?
Well, no, with a description. I wrote the guy didn't see the axle cue. Bro, go see it.
Let me see.
I'm sure you already saw it anyways. Every time I send you, oh, bro, I saw it.
Bro, I didn't see that ever.
No?
Uh,
Wait, did you watch it all?
Yeah, you just fell at the end, no?
Yeah? Bro, it looked like he fell hard though.
Yeah, no, it did. I don't know how he fell there.
Bro, he slipped. I think he threw a fist and he completely missed and the momentum made him go flying. Alright, well, I'm still waiting for a long. The equal highs on the 15-minute look great.
Yeah, I want a long too. There's no reason for us to continue short here.
And we're probably going to leave the 15-minute bullish for value gap here unfilled for us to
One
continue
failure
higher.
swing. We just closed the. Did we close the fair value gap? I'm blind. I can't see.
No, not yet. Wait, I don't know. I can see
Yeah,
too.
we did.
Yeah, we did.
This candle's bullish. I could take a long. Stop at the low of the black candle. About 4 cons. That's 20 here. Whoa, hold on, mate. For one would be here. Okay, I'm in.
Bro, come on NQ. We even have equal highs on the 1 minute as well. Yes is right under highs as well. All of London is
It should
above.
go.
Yeah, should go. Just realized I stretched and I just showed my armpits on stream. That's disgusting. Even ES has equal highs now in the 1 minute with a high right above. Come on, man, push. No need to hesitate. And Q has like 3 nice highs to grab here. Push through the 80s. There you go. Little higher, push to the 90s. ES is banging against that high. Bro, those are
NQ
so
stuff
many
too,
clean
man.
highs on NQ, man. NQ has to rip. Equal highs, 30-minute cycle high, the equal highs on the 1 hour. And we have so much room to go catch up to ES as well. We should reject off this for value gap. Push up. Even ES is banging against that high. Come on. Let's get a little burst. Let's push through these highs with speed.
Why has NQ been so bad compared to ES? Just horrible price action. Look at ES, how far up, and NQ sleeping, bro. NQ's being so stupid. You're not behaving, NQ. Ouch, my shoulder hurts.
Come on, ES. Push up so NQ could follow. It has so much catching up to do. I don't even know why would we ever want to come back down in here. Look how many highs we're leaving on NQ. NQ's on that funny shit. Well, that's a decent candle. Let's go get momentum now. Let's go. Yeah, yes, we're at 5 equal highs. There you go. Let's get some momentum here. Come on, ES. Let's get some momentum. NQ push.
NQ needs momentum, not ES. ES got all the momentum.
NQ has such nice highs to go grab as well.
Yeah, NQ has a lot, but it's sleeping.
Pound the alarm. It's just a matter of time. It has to go. So much buy side right here on NQ. We have the equal highs up here. We got the equal highs down here. Come on, NQ, go through puberty, have a growth spurt. Pew!
Yeah, I got out. I don't like that. I'm not waiting for NQ to fuck around here for 30 minutes. No chance. Should have ran already and it's creating more bearish SMTs. I'll get out at break even. I'll wait for a better trade. Even if it runs now without me, I don't care. Wait 6 minutes. It's not going anywhere. It's not going through highs. It's literally making lower highs and lower lows. I'll conserve my capital. I'll wait for something I like better. Should have ran.
You got out. It's gonna go now.
Yeah, it's always how it is. It's tweaking. Look at NQ, bro. ES had a clean move up, and Q is consolidating. But yeah, that's how it works. When you get out of the trade, it'll run. That's why you got a fool in Q. You get out and you get back in. Uh, no, I just don't like how NQ is moving.
Yeah, it should have went. We're
Yeah,
in
I don't care if it
consolidation
goes, to
here.
be
We're
honest.
going nowhere.
I like when trades go in my favor fast now when they play around for 15 minutes. It's playing way too much.
Doesn't know what it wants to do.
Yeah, it's too much consolidation. I won't even take the trade here anyway right now. So let's look up.
What'd you say? You cut out.
So, said I wouldn't take a trade here anyway. There's too much consolidation, so I'm gonna go heat up my bean bag right now.
You go do that, King. It's going now, Dave.
What's up?
I said it's going now.
I don't care. Took too much time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8 minutes, bro. It was around my entry. I don't care about that. Now I would have been probably break even. No, not yet. It'll probably come back down, bro. And just slow as hell. Even if it goes, I don't really care. I didn't like the way it was moving. It was horrendous.
Well, I'm really surprised we didn't take out those equal highs yet.
It was doing some foo shit. It's a beautiful day outside, huh?
I don't know. I didn't really go out. I went out this morning just for 5 minutes. It was a bit humid and a bit cloudy.
It's blue skies.
Yeah, maybe now it's nicer.
Told you, look at this. No follow through and it breaks highs. Yes, got all the Viagra. Oh, the baby's here.
Oh, so he's alive.
Yeah. Let's say hi to him. Antonio. Hi.
Whoa, what was that? Four is the magic number. Alright, where are we going from here now? I'm really surprised NQ didn't take out those equal highs. We left that morning high intact and ES is so much higher above it.
That's a perception I like to avoid when you get a lot of bullshit of back and forth. Because even if a trade looks good, it can easily come back and stop you out one more time and then go and do a random stop hunt that makes no sense. I'm seeing things. I'm hallucinating.
So wait, did you see the baby cat? He's alive, he's good?
Yeah, I saw him. He looks okay. I think he came back last night, actually, is what I heard. Or yesterday during the day. Maybe he was scared to come because the mom came back. I don't know.
Maybe he went to the
Bro,
other home.
mom cats are sometimes, and mom dogs are not always good with their cubs. Sometimes they become enemies.
Yeah. I don't know, maybe he went to the other home. The guy beside Antonio, he feeds them every day. He gets food for them,
Yeah,
he castrated them, who knows? He found the other
so
home,
he got some.
he found the good stuff. He's like,
He gets
wow,
caviar there.
there's two restaurants in the neighborhood. What am I in the mood for?
But I wonder how well they feed them. Like what they give them, how often. Maybe it's just a little food every day. It's a little to keep them alive.
I don't know, I think he takes care of them like he said he paid for to all get them vaccinated and castrated. I'm sure he feeds them well. It's crazy. You get blackheads because the pores in your nose are too big. You get those eye things because the pores in your eyes are too small for the liquid to go out. So many flaws. C'est tellement drôle. Sur YouTube, ça dit qu'on a 6 personnes. Sur mon phone, ça dit qu'on a 3. Hey man, my allergy's been kicking in. I don't know about you, but I thought I was gonna be allergy free for the summer. I don't know why they kicked in so late. I don't think it's pollen. I think it has to do with something else.
My allergies left. They came for about 2 weeks, I think in June. 2, 3 weeks in June. That's it. I got lucky. Oh, I just knocked my phone over. Did you hear that?
No.
It's pretty loud.
What's this dirty price action? You said we have no news as well, huh? Today.
No, we don't.
Wow, so the final is going to be Spain versus Argentina.
There's a game today, no?
No, really don't think so. I think the next game is for the third place on Saturday around
Oh no,
6.
it's true, bro. I'm brain dead.
Saturday at 5.
I was thinking about England and Argentina. They played yesterday. What shows are you watching now? You?
I just started watching The Mentalist. It's good to pass time. To be honest, it's exactly like Criminal Minds. Like nothing different. The
Oh,
show
The
starts
Mentalist.
off,
I
yeah,
watched the first 5 episodes. It was pretty slow.
yeah. The show starts off like Criminal Minds. A dead body. They accuse someone. They think it's somebody else, and then they finally catch the killer at the end. It's exactly
Yeah.
like Criminal Minds. And then they have one big case that they still can solve. It's like the other guy as well. It's the exact same show.
Yeah, the one that killed his mother or daughter or children or wife.
Yeah, that's in
Those
The
two
Mentalist, and
things.
in Criminal Minds, it's that killer who they can't catch in every single season. He shows up just for a bit and leaves again. Bro, it's like the exact same show. They're running the same show with different actors. And that's pretty much it.
Yeah, I found the brunette and they're very pretty.
Brunette.
She's on their squad. She looks young.
I don't know.
There's only one, buddy. It's him, the two guys, and two girls. Not the girl with black hair, the girl with brown hair.
She's not brown, she's ginger.
Or ginger, whatever. No, it's brunette ginger.
Oh,
Not
I don't
ginger.
know.
It's not orange.
I don't know. I saw orange. Bro, it's orange because in episode 2 they're trying to catch a killer that's killing gingers. They use her as
Yeah,
bait.
exactly. Exactly. Yeah, and she's a bit ginger. And she wore that red dress in episode 2. You know what dress I'm talking about.
You're laughing, but I just watched the episode. It's hard to forget when I watched it 8
Yeah,
hours
me too.
ago.
I watched it 3 weeks ago. It's so funny. You started it, and I started it like 2, 3 weeks ago. But I stopped watching it. It got boring.
Yeah, I just put it on. I have nothing else to watch. It's a good pastime.
Yeah, I guess it was literally the same thing every episode.
Yeah, like Criminal
And it
Minds.
was a bit slow.
I don't know how I made it through so many episodes of Criminal Minds. Hey, you know what I keep
I don't
getting
know.
emails about? Remember in school we had to build a portfolio? Investopedia still sends me the portfolio and tells me the today's change, the annual return on it, where we
Oh
are
yeah.
in the leaderboard. Yeah.
What the hell?
Yes, NQ, consolidate longer. Let's just stay here till tomorrow.
Well, yeah, would have got stopped out anyways. I would have still been in the trade, and it would have been what, 20 minutes, 30 minutes.
Yeah. Yeah, it would have been break even though anyways. You would have moved it to break even after taking all those internal highs. I'll be right back. I'm gonna go blow my nose.
He's gonna go blow his nose. Yay. Horrible price action.
I'm back. Oh, what did I come back to? You see my stream? Did you see my screen, Dave?
Even though I was on mute. Freshly
Huh?
squeezed orange juice.
No, actually, it's pineapple and apple.
Pineapple and apple.
Yeah, red apple with pineapple. It tastes just simply like pineapple. I was thirsty. Well, I'm surprised NQ really didn't take those highs. I am shocked. We really couldn't inverse that 1 hour fair value gap as well. Look how we came right back into it and rejected so strong off it.
What the hell am I touching here?
We'll see what 11 o'clock wants to do. We tapped into a 15-minute bullish fair value gap. Last line of defense. Maybe 11 o'clock will bring us back up. Who knows? Looking pretty bearish to me.
Bro, it takes so much energy to hold a 2 pound, 3 pound bag over your eye for minutes.
Yeah, I know.
Like I'm doing shoulder raises. And I have neck pain.
Well, I'm sure nobody expected NQ not to take those equal highs. We came up so strong, we were forming higher lows.
Yeah, they're still there on the hourly. Again, we
Yeah,
rejected that hourly for value gap.
yeah.
Oh, we
All
could
right, a
continue going
low.
back up after we tap 10 a.m. Who knows?
Yeah, we're in a 15-minute bullish as well right now.
ES is still holding strong. There's not much reason for us to continue shorter. Could be a retracement before we move back up. Very possible.
Fifteen-minute close is soon. Looks like we're pushing up out of that 15-minute bullish. All right, 11 o'clock. Give me a lower retrace, take out that low one more time, and then let's go up. Or a failure swing. I hate when I'm married to a bias. Like right now, my brain is just screaming long, long, long. I don't know if you're on mute.
I am sorry, I'm holding a warm bag over my eye. My neck's hurting me a lot now. I'm
Does it
looking
dry
forward
out
to
your
meeting
eye?
someone. I don't know. A bit, not a crazy amount.
I think 11 o'clock's gonna bring us higher. Yes, it can be. That's why when David says not to have a complete full bias when entering the day, it's true, it is very helpful. Just look what price is reacting.
You can have a bit of a bias, but if you look at the daily and there's no clear direction, or you look at the hourly and there's no clear direction, don't marry a bias. Just look to see what's being respected, what's not.
Yeah, that's my issue. Sometimes I marry a bias.
Never listen to someone saying we're bullish, we're bullish. Only look for longs. What if you get a perfect short setup? You're not going to get it because someone said they're bullish.
No, that's why I stop listening to people also. I hate when I'm going short and someone says, bro, why would you short here?
Yeah.
I'm like, bro, it's my trade. It looks decent. And I have to take all my trades. I have no choice. In the beginning, that was an issue when I was listening to people. Only looking for longs here, and then it plays in my head because I was a beginner, and my setup came short, and I avoided it, and I'm like, wow, it won. Because I listened to some streamer tell me if you were gonna short here, you would have been an idiot. Wow, look at ES. It's really up there. Alright, well, we respected that 15-minute bullish. I really think 11 o'clock could push us up higher for those equal highs. Make the 11 a.m. wick, and then let's continue pushing up. I just thought about something. Your last migraine, it wasn't that bad, right?
No, it wasn't that bad at all.
It's so funny. I had a heart procedure to fix it with pain, but your pain decreased as well as mine. So I don't even know if I could correlate it to what I got done to myself.
That was literally the first migraine that I wasn't like a 10 on 10 pain and with
Oh,
throwing
for real?
up for me. Yeah, first time. I couldn't believe it. Like when it started to slowly fade away, I was like, for sure it's coming back. So I stayed in my room for like an extra like 45 minutes. And I'm like, bro, no way it left. It was very weird. Got lucky.
Yeah, I got hurt like that one time so bad. I thought it left and I decided to go on my phone and then 20 minutes later it came back, bro, like so bad. And I said, wow, what an idiot I am. I should have just stayed in the dark for another like hour to confirm it. Came back swinging. You know what's funny? I realized that you realize a lot of people from the US, none of them have beards. It's like a Canadian thing that everyone's running beards. And you guys mentioned that when you guys went to the States to go watch that football game, every single American doesn't have a beard. And you guys look like a lot older because you guys all had one. Yeah, okay, yeah.
Yeah, it's true. It is true.
Back in the 15-minute bullish, we go.
We're going anywhere in price right now.
No, price action isn't clean at all. Unfortunately, we're bouncing between a 15-minute bullish and a 1-hour bearish. This 1-hour bearish is holding us down pretty strongly, and then we have that 15-minute that we're back into it. If we inverse it, I think we're going to probably continue going down to the previous weekly low. And we got SMT at the high as well. I wouldn't want us taking out this low and inversing the fair value gap we have at 10 o'clock if we are to be bullish. Anyways, we'll see what ES wants to do. ES has been the leader for the last 2 weeks. Did I hear rain? Oh my god, Dave, it's pouring here. Is it raining where you are too?
No, no right here.
Yeah, it's raining here. Which is so funny. You told me, hey, bro, go look outside. It's so nice.
Okay.
I've been
Emptied up the bag
thunderstruck.
again. Pop some Advil, put some Voltaren on my neck. My neck's hurting.
Hey, the weather here has been so bipolar. Gonna give us a break.
It is darker now, though.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, it's starting to rain.
Bro, go look what Justin wrote. I hate this price action. This is when you gotta de-risk or not even take a trade at all. What are we doing here in Q? You know, when I bought glasses, they told me they were gonna put a blue light filter on them and that it's gonna work. And I realized the blue light filter on them is probably the weakest blue light filter I've ever had in my entire life. That's actually scammer got scammed. Who, David? No, he's at the library. That's why he doesn't talk. He can't talk loud. He can't talk much either.
I told you I'm going to get Advil. I have to heat up my bean bag. I put Voltaren on my neck, and now I'm taking a big summer poop out. And again, thanks for the David comment.
You're so famous, though. Hey, it looks like we're gonna inverse the 15-minute here.
Oh,
We're
I thought it was
going
a break
down.
even.
All right. Well, next target is previous week low. Here we come. I think we're gonna inverse the 15-minute here. We got 1 minute to see if it wants to respect it or not. We're bouncing on 10 o'clock open here. One more minute. What are the odds we respect the 15? No, it looks like we're gonna invert it for sure here. Just to push up quite a bit. Do we have SMT on the 1 again? Or no? No. There's no way it's gonna respect it in the last 10 seconds. Oh, oh. It's gonna come close. Oh, no, we inverted the 15. Lower prices is the most obvious now. Way more obvious. That 1 hour bearish fair value gap held us down so strong. Here's the next obvious target. And the only lows we have on the way down are these lows over here. We're forming a lot of buy side on the way down as well. Look how many highs we're forming. All this is going to become low resistance liquidity. Pee, look at its trend line.
If I told you what mom's cooking, you wouldn't even believe me.
Cauliflower and cheese.
Worse. She's
What's
boiling
worse than
vinegar and
cauliflower?
putting onions in it.
But to do what with it?
That's it. She's gonna eat vinegar drenched onions.
The Portuguese people do that as well, huh? With their fish, the bacalhau, they make fish and then they like caramelize a bit of onions. They just put it in the pan and then they soak it in white vinegar.
Yeah, you're talking about a dish. This isn't a dish.
No, no, but I'm saying that's what they do. They put it on top of their dish. But that's what they use. They use onions with white vinegar. I
Yeah,
hate
yeah.
it.
This is just white vinegar and onions and straight to the mouth.
I'm
It's
sure it has
great.
a strong aroma too, because when they do it here, it smells like vinegar in the house.
Yeah, I went upstairs and now both my eyes are blind. Shake, 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 senora. Shake it on the right. What, senora? Do me, do me, dome.
I think if we get two strong bullish candles here, it looks like a nice long. We're forming so much buy side liquidity. I don't want to pick the bottom though. I don't want to try to guess the bottom.
Yeah, I wouldn't take a trade here.
And we're bouncing off 10 o'clock.
Oh, damn, I forgot my robe upstairs. I'll be back. My God, I went upstairs like 5 times today. It's a full leg workout. Just to go upstairs is 39 stairs.
Yeah, it is in your trade anyways. Long term we're bearish, short term we're bearish. The only thing we got is we're in a discount. Not good enough.
I'm back.
You're back right in time for your trade.
Oh, this isn't my trade.
I'm kidding, I'm kidding. If you didn't hear me, but I said long term you're bearish, short term you're bearish. The only thing you got is in a discount, so there's no trade.
Yeah. I don't care if it runs, but if it runs, it starts to form and we start to push up, then yeah, you could find a long, but I don't have a setup here.
Wow, they're so unsync, man.
Yeah, yes, like if ES was NQ, I would potentially take a long on ES. But NQ is just so different and bad. It's terrible. Oh, sure. Oh, my neck is hurting today. What the hell? Sleep was hard. Every time I had to change position, it was a struggle.
Yeah, I've been waking up a lot too during my sleep.
What time you wake up in the morning?
8 o'clock, 8:30. Today, 8. Yeah, but don't forget, I go to bed a bit early, bro. Like, my phone was closed at 10:30 or 10:40. Phone shut, sound on, already sleeping, you know?
Uh,
It's a lot of sleep. I'm hitting 9 hours of sleep, 9 hours and a half. And it was yesterday, I was so tired, bro. Tuesday was such a long day, and I slept like horrible Monday night, so. Or was it Tuesday night? Yeah, Tuesday night I slept horrible. Bro, he's always so mad. It's insane. Well, this is actually a day to just sit on your hands. There's no follow through. One straight fast down move, one straight back up move, and pretty much consolidation with a slow drop. I'm surprised you didn't like that. I know you don't trade before 9:40, but in hindsight, your trade at 9:39 looks pretty clean to go grab those relatively equal lows.
Like before 9:30, I'm not even on my charts.
No, no, 9:39. I said before 9:40.
What was on 9:39?
Two green, two black,
9:30.
but there were some nice lows to go grab.
Oh no, I'm in a discount. There's no current live. No, it's not horrible if you were super bearish for those lows, but you're moving your stop at 0.4 R and hoping you get a continuation past the low. It's not worth it. You got any good shows, you?
You already asked me that. I said absolutely nothing except the green candles coming on your chart right now. That's a good show to watch.
I
Enjoy
finished
it.
Landberg.
Ah, how was it?
Pretty good. I
Yeah.
enjoyed it. Only 2 seasons though. It's like 8 episodes or 7 episodes in each. It's fast. You watch 14 episodes, you're done 2 seasons. Your friends, your neighbors, right?
Your friends,
That
your
show.
neighbors? Ah, friends and neighbors. Okay, yeah. It's a
Yeah,
good show.
friends, your neighbors. That's what it was called.
Yeah.
The guy's name was Coop, right?
Yeah.
In the show, I'm watching.
His name's Coop too.
Uh, was it? No, but the kid is called Coop.
Mm.
Cooper. Coop. They call him Coop. I'm like, bro, it sounds so familiar. The name Coop.
What's his full name though on the TV show? I forgot.
Your friends, your neighbors.
Yeah.
Uh,
Let me check. I'll tell you. Andrew. Andrew Cooper.
Andrew Cooper. Yeah,
I forgot it was Andrew.
me too.
It's a show called Friends and Neighbors. It's pretty good to be
Pretty good
honest.
show, huh? Yeah, not
Yeah,
bad.
it is a good show. Technically, rich guy loses his job and he starts doing heists. It's a good show. I
That's what
enjoyed it.
two seasons.
Yeah, 2 seasons, not too long as well, which made it better as well. Yeah, I
Oh,
watched The
we just
Boys.
finished The Boys.
I
I just
watched it
finished
all.
it.
The Boys was good also. Yeah, it was pretty good. I finished it a little bit, a little while back. As soon as the last episode came out, I watched it. It
Give
landed
me some
perfectly
other
because,
shows. I'm looking for shows, Papa. Give me something. Give me like your top three shows, and I'll see if I've watched anything. If I haven't, I'll watch it. I'll be surprised if I didn't watch your top three, though. I watch a lot of shows. Yeah, your top three,
or any good
if
shows
you
that you
have.
watched recently. I think we're all looking for new TV shows, but the issue is I think we've watched them all. It'd be hard for us
No,
to
there's
find one.
always more.
Damn, I gotta think. Yeah, it is. It's so hard. It's like when people ask my top, what's your favorite movie? I don't know. Bro, look at this price action. What
Yeah, it
is
is very hard.
this?
It's even if I try to think of my top three, I don't even have one. But what shows were good? Prison Break was
I don't know.
good.
I enjoyed
Blacklist
Prison
was good.
Break.
Oh, I
Blacklist was
never
pretty
watched
good
that
too.
one. I never watched How I Met Your Mother.
I guess Popa, you're part of the demographic of 40 and above. Yeah, there you go. You're naming old TV shows. I don't think I was born.
No, How I Met Your Mother's not that old.
Oh, I thought it was old.
Friends is good, yeah, but I never watched it because my sister watched it every day, so I always saw scenes.
Yeah, my sister adored Friends. I think she watched a whole show like two, three times. She just kept watching it every day. And my sister loves doing that. She likes to rewatch
What's the
shows.
show, Alex? I told you to watch with Chris Pratt,
Ah,
the army one.
yeah, I'm trying to think about it. What was that? Not Snakehead. Wolf. What was it? Wolf. Terminal List. Was that
Terminal
it?
List. Papalando, if you want a good army show, amazing. Terminal List.
Yeah, pretty good.
And it's like a sequel. No, it's a sequel to a show called Dark Wolf.
Yeah, it's good. You can watch both. You, you're. I don't know if you're freezing or I'm freezing. Dave, I don't know if you're freezing or I'm freezing, but I didn't hear you. David be bugging. We don't hear you, Dave. Oh, he bugging. David, leave Discord and come back, I think, bro. You can't hear you. Let me open up my screens. Hello? 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 David? I think maybe it's me. Hello? 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 Oh, no, it's my connection. Hello? Hello?
Yeah, I think it's better now.
No, you're right. I think it was my connection too. When I tried to join Discord, it said connecting. Oh
Maybe both
shit.
of ours.
I might get a trade here.
Yeah, if you close it for value gap. But yeah, Terminal List and Dark Wolf, very good shows. Really enjoyed those.
Order filled.
Alrighty.
Wait, you're in or what?
Yes, sir.
We got a trade. This is your win streak on the line.
Not funny.
Not funny.
Ah, don't hesitate. I needed at least to push up to go grab those highs, man. I hate the consolidation we're in, though.
Yeah, the consolidation's not pretty. Ah, Lioness is good too. I did watch it. Yeah, pretty good too. Even there was another show too that was part of that same group. What was it called? Night Owl? No, not Night Owl. Night Watch? Night Watch?
Bro, it's bugging again. I can't hear you. I think it's my connection. Look at the Discord connection.
Night Agent Papa No.
Yeah, it's my connection, David. Hello? Hello, guys? Hello? David? Hello? Bro, how come I can't hear anyone? Popa, you hear me now? It says connected. Yeah, we do. Okay, you hear me? So we lost David. Anyways, chat, I moved my stop to break even here. It doesn't look like we have continuation. We're just consolidating. We came back in. We tapped that fair value gap. I moved it to break even. I would want it to run. We're in pure consolidation and the range is getting tighter.
Stop filled.
Yeah, I moved this to break even. That's a break even trade. Any day. No, he's not on the phone. The Discord chat has been bugging. It's not connecting. Look, when he joins back, it's probably gonna work. It's gonna say connecting, connected. Look on Discord. Discord's been having issues connecting.
You hear me now?
Yeah, we hear you now. It's the
Uh,
Discord
no,
connection.
no.
I got break even, bro. I moved it to break even once we took out that internal high. I wanted it to push up strong, not come back down. It's horrible price action. It really had to tap me break even, man. He couldn't have just ran.
Hey, you shouldn't have moved your stop yet. Your stop should be moved at that internal high.
No, I have a rule when you make a high, like look at the candle at what is this at
Okay, it's your rule then.
yeah, at 11:32 we came back down and then we took out that internal high as well. So I wanted it to push strong.
But yeah, Game of Thrones was a really good show too.
What show? I had your dad in my ear. He was talking about Game of Thrones. I don't know
Yeah,
if
Game of Thrones. I think my dad's only watched 2 shows his entire life. I think it was 24,
no, he saw
the
24.
show
He saw
called
Lie to Me. He saw
24,
Prison
and
Break.
Lie to Me.
I know he watched a lot. He
Bit
saw
of it.
Prison Break. He saw
Bit, that's it.
Ozark.
Yeah, again, just a bit. He never finished nothing.
Bro, it's like triple break even this trade. Again, we took out another internal high and came back down. Wow, I really thought it was gonna run and push up strong with speed, especially for the previous cycle high, at least to go grab. Couldn't have gotten this, right, when I entered?
You didn't move your stop.
No, I had to
You
move
would
it.
have
I
got
had
it.
to.
So then, no problem.
It's a double internal sweep.
Woohoo! W's in the chat for Papa. He caught 30 points from that move. W's.
I wish I did. This is such ugly price action, man. You set a 10
Yeah,
point stop
9:30 had a
loss and you didn't
move.
get stopped?
9:30 had a move, then we haven't moved since. We're just going sideways here, back and forth. Maybe PM will give us something.
You nailed it, Popa.
You're gonna see during lunch again. You're gonna get a good move.
Look, even with that push, it didn't even go. If I had that stop there, where is it here? Yeah, 0.81. This is insane.
Wait,
Then we have
where's
a
your
bearish
execution?
SMT.
Disappeared too.
No, it's on MNQ executions. Yeah, he watched Landman 2. Look, he wrote it was good.
Wait, what? I don't see it. I don't see that.
Click live chat.
Oh, I just saw it pop up. Yeah. Yeah, I just finished watching Landman. Pretty good. I watched Tulsa King too. Tulsa King was good too.
Tulsa
I
King
didn't
was
watch
okay. I
May.
don't find it great. I liked Yellowstone. Yellowstone was pretty good.
I didn't watch Mayor of Kingstown though.
Did you watch
But that
Yellowstone?
is Yellowstone. I don't know. I don't think so.
Oh, you got a good show to watch too. It's good.
Mayor of Kingstown. I'll look into it. Yeah. Take care, Papalondo. Alex, I don't hear you anymore. I don't know if you're still here.
I was talking muted.
I hear you. Take care, Papalondo.
I was trying to say if he hasn't watched Suits, Suits is also a great show, but everybody has watched that.
Take care, bro.
He muted himself. Correct. Okay, now I'm out. Where do we wanna go? Oh wow, there's crazy. We had no follow through. We had an internal sweep into a fair value gap of this leg into OTE. We had a strong bullish candle that closed the only fair value gap in that leg down, and we couldn't even make it back up to these highs. Zero momentum, and we're coming back down. Ew. What a horrible range we have today. I gotta clean my desk. Hey, what's up, Mr. Pretty? Welcome, welcome. Any trades you took today? Anything you want to share? It's been a pretty boring day. The only trade we saw here was the 10 a.m. close. What do you call it, Dave? Just a change in the state of delivery back to your 829 fair price. Do you have a name for that trade?
The mean reversion trade. If you assume that's the mean, because that should be the fair price.
So that's a mean reversion trade that we didn't take this morning though, but we did mark it out as a trade idea. And the only trade I took is the closure at 11:31 after we had an internal sweep into fair value gap and we closed the 1 minute bearish in one candle up here. I entered here, but I got break even once we took that internal high again and it came back down break even. Anyways, it wouldn't have even have made a 1-to-1. And that's pretty much it. Besides that, price has been horrible this morning. Zero follow through and very ugly. Holy sim traded today took what? Took $16 losses or 16 losses. Yeah, this price action is horrid. Ugly as it can be. It's Chop City. Alright, chat, I'm gonna call it a morning here. If anyone new's in the chat, subscribe. We're gonna go live again in the PM session. Hopefully we could find something all together in the PM. For now, this price action is completely horrid and I want to avoid it, and I took one break even today. So I'm gonna close up here and I'll be back at 1:15 for the PM session for the power hour. Thank you guys for joining and I'll see you guys later. David, you wanna say bye-bye? Be good boy,
Take
say
care,
bye-bye.
everybody. See you in the PM.
Alright, chat, we'll see you guys later. Ciao.